Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 92 Chevy Blazer. There you can see we're up to 60 miles an hour. Just started it, so the gauge, temp gauge isn't up yet, but everything else worked. Anti-lock lights on, so the ABS brakes do not work. But runs and drives good there, just to gauge the cruise, so that works. You can hear the radio in the background. Airtight. I mean, for the miles on it, it's actually in pretty good shape. Got a few little cosmetic deals, but it's not rusty. Come from Washington, so good and solid. You know, you get a Blazer under 10 grand, so so good buy on a Blazer. So we'll go up another mile here, and then I will turn around and go through the shift points on the tranny, so you can see that it shifts. You can see temp gauge starting to come up. Like I said, goes down the road really good. We've got a 15-20 mile an hour wind today, and it's nice and airtight. Doesn't wander all over the road. These Blazers and Jimmys of this age are they're a good investment, because as the other ones keep going up, these will follow. Plus they're fuel injected with 700 R4 overdrive trannies, so they're a little more roadworthy than a 70s one. So I'll show you the brakes here. Brakes work good. Been through shop, checked over, got good tires. So it'll be a great buggy for the winter, 4-wheel drive. Can't buy much under 10 grand anymore. That's good and roadworthy. First to second. Second to third. Shift's nice. It's just a good driving truck. I'm not even touching the steering wheel right now. We're going straight down the road. So 605-695-7391.